guys, it's me Julius and welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you guys are having a good day and I am super happy we get to hang out. In today's video, we are going to be testing out some slime recipes. From oven slime to toothpaste slime. In this video, I even tested the recipe you guys have all been waiting to see me test, the no glue pasta slime. We are going to be testing out all of the recipes. Personally, I had all of the ingredients already at home on hand. So if any of these recipes may be something you can make as well. Notification squad shoutouts of today's video go to Refillway, Sebusho, Chuckwoo, Toshi, and also KK Brown. Super excited because I am going to be doing a giveaway to give this bundle box away to one lucky winner. Before we get into the video, I want to show you guys what you win inside of this box. First thing you win in this box are a couple of slimes I put together. So the first one I have is this sugar grape jelly glitter clear slime. And then we have this one, which is called Glass Heart in Cotton Pink. It's a clear pink slime with a little heart in it. And then we have this ice blue slime with an ice cube. And then we have clear gel in glacial gray. We'll also get a 28-ounce clear slime, which is my JSH DIY water slime, and a purple iPhone. It's your entry to win. All you have to do is like this video, comment below, watch till the end, and be subscribed, and the winner will be announced randomly in one of my videos. First no glue slime recipe I'm going to be testing out today is pasta slime. This recipe has gone very viral in the past week. Starting off, you need any type of pasta. And then in a pan, you need to add in a little bit of water, oil, and a ton of salt. After you have let your salt, oil, and water simmer for a little bit in the pan, you can add in your pasta. And after a few minutes, the salt should try to start boiling up to the top of the pan, but the pasta water is supposed to affect that and you have like some clumps. And then while everything is still hot, you are supposed to put all this into the blender and just blend on high. Supposed to look really liquidy and maybe even a little bit fibery, but because there's a lot of pasta in there, it is supposed to thicken once it dries out. And at first for me this did not work, but right here on the screen I have another pasta slime I made by adding in more pasta. So I find that if you're making this recipe, you kind of need to double the amount of pasta as water, and I was doing it kind of the other way around just from my experience of making actual pasta in the past. So my verdict is that you can make slime from pasta and you don't actually need to let it sit, you just need a lot of pasta. Next recipe we are going to be testing out is a recipe to make thick clear shampoo slime instantly with water in the oven. So as most of you guys would already know, I have tested one oven slime recipe in the past and it was last year, but this recipe is another way to make an oven slime with shampoo, water, and it's supposed to make slime once it cooks in the oven. So we're going to be testing out this version of the recipe. So starting off for our mix, we are just adding in a bunch of shampoo. I'm adding in this clear shampoo and I'm adding in quite a lot of it because I want to make a big batch of slime. And then next up, I'm adding in some water. And then I'm adding in a little bit of sea salt and classic salt in as well. I mixed it a little bit and then I just put it in the oven at 360 degrees to bake for about a half an hour. After taking it out of the oven, the slime was definitely a little bit melty and it was still kind of warm. I had let it sit for maybe an hour or so to cool down a bit, but I think because of the water, it was a little bit diluted and sticky. I think this slime would have been much better if we didn't add in the water, so for this exact recipe, this does not work in my opinion. Next recipe we're going to be testing out is Troom toothpaste slime. Toothpaste tube that only has a little toothpaste left in it. Apparently, we're supposed to go like this. So the tube is now filled with air. It looks like it's kind of hollow now, so that's what we did. In the Troom video, they used a cup and they kind of like inserted the toothpaste in it, but that didn't work for me, so I just had to pour it in there. And then we were supposed to put it in the refrigerator overnight. When I squeezed the toothpaste out of the tube, it was for some reason white, and I think this was because of the water. But as you guys can see, I think I did something wrong and completely messed this up because this did not work at all. It was just very sticky for me. I've seen a lot of you guys ask me to test this shampoo slime. In accordance to the recipe, we are just supposed to add in some baking soda and also some salt in the shampoo and mix it up. So then we are supposed to put this in the fridge for 1 week, recommended amount of time, and the baking soda and salt is supposed to help dry out the shampoo, and the shampoo itself is supposed to make it kind of feel like a slime. So on the screen, of course, you guys can see how my slime looked, and this was after 1 week in the fridge exactly. This recipe is a recipe that has been commented, so obviously I can't see how the commenters'
So I'm not
sure if my slime is supposed to be how it turned out. And also, they didn't specify like a specific type of shampoo, so obviously every shampoo could do something a little different. So let me know in the comments below if you guys think this was a fail or success, and let me know if this is how this exact slime recipe is supposed to turn out, or if mine is a little bit off. Thank you all so much for watching this video and hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had a good time, and if you are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing me, make sure that you are subscribed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys over on one of the videos up on the screen. Bye, guys!